Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, or if you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we'll be looking at the Lofted Aero T-38C model. Now, as far as I know, this is the first printable, flyable, 3D printed T-38. Like I said, this is from Lofted Aero, and I'll have a link down in the description where you can purchase the files for these. Now, this is a 1 meter fuselage length here, which is 79.4 inches long, and the wingspan on this is 22.6 inches. So it's a really nice looking little jet, and this is designed to fly with a 50 millimeter EDF and 2 servos in the back. There's no ailerons on this. It's just the elevons. The elevator will act as the elevator and the ailerons. There's no rudder also. Like I said, this was designed to print real easy and easy to build, etc. Now, it's a very nice looking model, and this is printed in lightweight PLA, and just the fuselage here, everything here, it's supposed to weigh 300 grams or 300 grams or less, or just slightly above. And ready to fly, everything in it should weigh between 650 grams to 750 grams. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the build on this plane. Okay, everybody, that completes the build of this. Only thing I have left to do for this is just put the electronics in it. The fan, the two servos in the back, and that's it. And as you can see, it's not a very difficult build. It's quite simple to build, and it goes together really fast, as you saw me put together in the video here. And only, like I said, the only thing I have to do is put the fan in here, and then the two servos. And these ducts up here are opened all the way through here, so this flows right through here, and they have another duct here on the bottom just to give it a little more airflow. And then we just put this on here and put the screws in here, and we have the skids on the bottom of here. And that's it. It's a good looking jet. Love the T-38. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. And once again, this is a Lofted Aero T-38. And the files, I'll have a link to purchase the files below. And I believe they're somewhere around $19, $19.95. They're not more than $20. And you can go to a site and take a look at, see this thing fly and everything. So yeah. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And I will catch you guys in the next one.
Subscribe for more.